welcome back to the channel. Today I have the NS02 neon rope light from Neewer. For those who have been watching my channel for a while know that I have something with LED lights and I wish I had these sooner. But let's start with the unboxing. First we find a manual, then we find the rope light. I usually make these lights myself, but I cannot compete with this Skådis. Directly attached to the rope light is the controller, and on the controller we have a power button, microphone, mode button and brightness button. We also find the power supply and we can connect this separately. This is very convenient, so they can use this rope light in every region and just swap out the power supply. As you can see, it's very flexible and we can make all kinds of shapes with it. They come with small clips where you can attach them. They also added 3M stickers so you don't have to drill holes. But you can also use the provided screws. Let's see if they work. Yes, they work. And I love them instantly. Since my wife doesn't let me drill holes in the wall, I will design something to put the clips on my Skadis from IKEA. And while I'm designing in the background, I can tell you there is an app to control them and you can integrate them in Home Assistant. As I told you before, I really liked them and I wish I had them before. Now that we finished the design, it's time to print them. Don't forget to like and subscribe. The printing part was fairly simple and didn't take much time. The next step took a little longer. This part was a little bit annoying. Attaching the clips to the feet using the small screws. This way we can attach them to the board and orient them in every way we want. And when I finished the clips, it was time for me to see if I could recreate the image on the packaging. Usually you see things on the packaging that you can never achieve, but I think I managed. But I don't want a cat on my wall, so I'm designing something else.
I didn't want to see you when you came home, 'cause you always try to hurt me and that's so low. And when I talk to you about it, you're in defense mode. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. How can we work on ourselves when you say no? Whoa, oh, oh, oh. I'll never go on like this, so don't you think you got me up? Yeah, I can't seem to deal with this. You try so hard to pull me in. I'll never go on like this, so don't you think you got me up? Yeah, I can't seem to deal with this. You try so hard to pull me in.
She got me hooked up.
Well, she pulling me in like a black hole, trapped in a grip and I can't break. Out of control and I can't feel my soul and my heart on my damn face. 'Cause I ain't be nothing without her. A king with no queen and no damn kingdom. Serving up hate with a cold vengeance. Fuck, but I hate her, we can't slay them. Yeah, she's got me hooked, I'm down, I ride. Leaving, she tried to kill me, I can see it in her eyes. Yeah, she's got me shook, this my demise. I'm bleeding, can someone heal me? I can't deal with no more lies.
I'll never go on like this, so don't you think you got me up? Yeah, I can't seem to deal with this. You try so hard to pull me up, baby.
I really like the final result, and there are endless options on how to use this. There is an app where you can control the rope light and create your own effects. I'll put a link to these lights in the description below. These are affiliate links, so you would help my channel out without costing you extra. I want to thank Neewer for sending me these rope lights for testing and review. And as always, want to thank my Patreons for supporting my channel. And before I forget, the music mode is also fun. Check mic. Alright, let's go. And with that, I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next.